Go to your browser and in Google type Logitech Unifying Software. From the search results, make sure to go to support.logi.com website. I'm on macOS 26. Click on the drop down and then expand Mac. And the latest macOS is 10.13 selected. This is the latest Logitech Unifying software, but don't worry, it will still work. So click on download now and then click on downloads, find Unifier installer, click on it. Then you will get a warning saying it's from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open and quickly it gives you this privacy and security notification. And it's very important to click on allow to allow it, because if you don't do it now, later it's impossible. So this opens the installer. Click on continue. This is the license agreement. Click on continue. You will need to agree the license. So click on agree and then click on continue. And finally, click on install. Enter your login password and enter. Here it is. Now the Unifying software is installed. You can close this and then you can open it in the future by clicking on apps and then finding it and then clicking on it to open it. You can use Logitech Unifying software to add more than one device to your Unifying receiver. I've made another video on how to do this. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.